Hi everyone, and thank you once again for joining me. And this is a quick video. I just wanted to show you a product that I bought today. It's an old product. It's nothing new. Okay, but nevertheless I thought I'll just do a quick unboxing so that if any one of you is interested, you can take a look at it before you go ahead and pick up one. Okay. So this is a unmanaged switch from D-Link, and it comes with 8 ports. Okay, so there is a 4-port version and an 8-port version. I went for the 8-port because that was more economical, value for money per port. This one cost me 129 dirhams, whereas a 4-port version would cost me 99 dirhams. So that's the main reason why I went for it. And nevertheless, the more ports you have, the more expandability options you get. And the reason why I went for this one is because in my apartment I have a slightly older apartment where each of my rooms, they don't come with a built-in Ethernet port. So I have to pull a cable all the way from my router, which is in the sitting room, into my bedroom. Either that or I need to use Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi, the signal strength is pretty weak because the walls are pretty thick. So I decided to go for a simple switch. So this is unmanaged. That means you cannot control which port will be blocked, and none of those security measures are there. It's just simple port for maximum connectivity. All right, so this one it's a gigabit port. So each port has a maximum 1 gigabit speed. What else does it have? Yeah, and another feature on this one is the auto MDIX. So what that means is regardless of what kind of a cable you connect it into the port, whether it's a straight cable or a crossover cable, it doesn't matter. The switch will be able to automatically recognize and do the switching. Do the correction automatically. So essentially, you don't need to worry about what kind of network cable you're connecting into it. So that being said, let me just quickly go ahead and unbox this one. Comes with a warranty card, a quick installation guide, and the switch. It's pretty hefty device. Yeah, small, but it's nice. It's got a good weight to it. It's a metal frame, metal body, no plastic. Yeah, through and through metal. And this can also be wall mounted, as you can see. And they have also provided the screws and the sticker for it. And they've also provided, if you want to keep it on the desk, they provided the rubber feet, adhesive rubber feet. Okay, yeah, so that's good. I will not be wall mounting it because I like to drill as less holes into the wall. So this is going to sit on my desk. So I'll be using this adhesive rubber feet. And then the only other item inside is the adapter. So yeah, that's it. So 5 volt 1 milliampere. So even if you lose this adapter, if it breaks, as long as you can get yourself a 5 volt 1 ampere adapter with the inside being positive, outside being negative, then you should be good to go. Switch ground, lock. And here the light shows the if it's an amber light, it is running it as fast Ethernet or 100 megabits per second. And if it's green, it is running at 1 gigabit per second. Yeah, so that's about it. So hope you guys like it. And by the way, there is also another you can also get Linksys unmanaged switch 8 port, but that's a little bit more expensive. It comes out at 150 dirhams. So this is an 8 port switch, 129 dirhams. The other one is a 149 dirhams Linksys switch, both unmanaged. So I thought to myself, it doesn't really make a difference, so I'd rather go for a cheaper version. Right, thank you folks. You have a wonderful day.